na down ka. Siya yung laging nagtatanggal ng stress mo. Parang stress reliever. Etong pet mo na to. Okay? So, just take good care of that pet kasi talagang malaki na itutulong niya sa'yo. Ha? And then, yeah, let's see what could be the messages from our hidden hearts. Tingnan natin ano yung ibabato sa'yo ng ating oracle cards. Let's see. Please give messages for the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I feel like pwedeng sa marriage to, pwedeng sa relationship. Parang ganon. Something na ganon. Okay? Kasi, ayun no, parang nag-hold on ka na lang. Kasi may kailangan lang talagang